Hey everyone, PK here. Another day, another playground with my family. I just thought I'd do one again at a playground because I got so many good comments and everything last time. Today I just want to talk about briefly that there's so many strategies that you can adopt or approach in property investing. There's not like one or two or three strategies. There's like 20 strategies, all the way from completely passive to buy and hold to active, doing commercial developments, large scale residential subdivisions, things like that, and everything in between. There's like 20 or 30 different approaches you could take, and combinations of them as well. And I often see people who are ambitious, and that might be yourself, really not wanting to stick with one strategy. I see so many people dipping their toes here, then dipping their toes there, and then getting all muddled up and, just feeling that, am I making the most out of my money? Am I doing the best that I can? And oftentimes, it's like a puzzle, and they puzzle themselves by doing too many things and leave money on the table. So, so many people, I talk to people all the time that are doing buy and hold investment, and they see a developer, right? They see someone who's involved with development, like someone like myself, and they think, oh, that person's doing better than I am. And then they want to try and become a developer. But because it's not right for them, it's not right for their risk profile, or they don't have enough money to start, they do that and then fail. And then the outcome is even worse than if they had just stuck with the buy and hold, right? Or renovations, or subdivisions, or whatever. Okay, so the key message that I just wanted to leave with everyone today was, if you don't want to do renovations, if you don't want to do development, if you don't want to get your hands dirty, if you already have a job and really can't spend that much time on property, then a buy and hold strategy is sufficient. Okay, a buy and hold strategy is sufficient. That is enough for you to generate a passive income. Yes, if you have more money, if you have $300,000 to start with, or you have a lot of time on your hand, or your risk profile is higher, yes, you can do more active strategies. You can do subdivision, you can do renovation for profit, you can do small scale development, townhouses, commercial development, medical centers, service stations, so many things that I have access to, and I do, and my clients and people I work with do as well. But that's not for you necessarily. Everyone is different. Just really be conscious about your limitations and your aspirations, and how much resources you have from a time and money perspective, and pick the strategy that's right for you. Okay, buy and hold will generate for you a passive income of 6 figures. Okay, so if you're thinking that, I just want to not have to rely on my job, but I see all these people doing funky things in property, I need to do that. Don't worry about it. You don't have to do that. Yes, it's nice to do, but it's not essential. Okay, the most important thing is picking a strategy and trying your best to stick with it. Okay, there will always be movement along as the years go by, but a strategy is a strategy for a reason. It's your game plan to get from where you are to where you want to be. Okay, so invest in the right strategy. Don't shop around on Google or anything like that. Invest in the right strategy and try to stick with it. Understand the pros and cons, understand everything that it takes to get there to your desired goal, and just stick to it. Don't be distracted, okay? You can generate a healthy passive income just through buy and hold investment. Okay, cool. I just wanted to leave you there. Have a great day, guys. I'm in Brisbane, beautiful day. There's no clouds at all to be seen. It's just amazing. Hopefully it's like that down in Sydney, Melbourne, or wherever you are. All right, catch you later.